How to look neat at school. 10 tips to look clean and fresh for school. Looking clean and fresh for school isn't just about appearance. It's about feeling confident and ready to take on the day. Whether you're rushing to class or hanging out with friends, maintaining a polished and well-groomed look can boost your self-esteem and make a great impression. With a few simple habits and the right routine, you can easily achieve a fresh and neat look every day. Here are 10 detailed tips to help you stay clean, stylish, and confident at school. Follow a consistent skincare routine. A clear and glowing complexion makes a big difference in looking fresh. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Apply sunscreen daily to prevent sun damage. If you have acne, use a spot treatment or consult a dermatologist. Keep your hair clean and styled. Oily, unkempt hair can make you look untidy. Wash your hair regularly, 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. Use dry shampoo if your hair gets greasy between washes. Keep your hairstyle neat comb or brush your hair every morning. Avoid excessive heat styling to prevent damage. Maintain good oral hygiene. A fresh smile makes a great impression. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes. Floss daily to remove hidden plaque. Use mouthwash for fresher breath. Carry breath mints or sugar-free gum for quick freshness. Choose clean and well-fitted clothes. Even if your outfit is simple, cleanliness makes a difference. Wear freshly laundered clothes with no stains or wrinkles. Choose well-fitted outfits that flatter your body shape. Stick to neutral, solid colors or simple patterns for a polished look. If possible, iron your clothes or use a wrinkle release spray. Smell good, but not overpowering. A good scent enhances your freshness. Shower daily and use a mild, refreshing body wash. Apply deodorant to prevent body odor. Use a light, fresh-scented perfume, body mist, 1 or 2 spritzes only. Keep a travel-size perfume or deodorant in your bag for touch-ups. Keep your hands and nails clean. Dirty hands and nails can make you look messy. Trim your nails regularly and keep them free of dirt. Moisturize your hands to keep them soft. Avoid chipped nail polish or overly long nails if they look unkempt. Carry hand sanitizer to stay clean throughout the day. Keep your shoes clean. Shoes complete your overall look. Wear clean, well-maintained shoes without scuffs or dirt. Wipe or polish your shoes if they look worn out. If wearing sneakers, keep them odor-free by using foot powder. Match your shoes with your outfit for a cohesive look. Have a minimal, natural makeup look. If you wear makeup. Makeup can enhance your features but should be fresh and simple for school. Use a light BB cream or tinted moisturizer for an even skin tone. Apply a bit of mascara to open up your eyes. Use lip balm or a tinted gloss for soft lips. Avoid heavy foundation, dark lipstick, or dramatic eyeliner for school. Take care of your overall hygiene. Personal hygiene is key to looking fresh. Shower daily, especially after sports or sweating. Use a fresh towel and change your bed sheets regularly. Keep a small pack of wet wipes for quick freshening up. Avoid touching your face too much to prevent breakouts. Stay hydrated and well-rested. Internal care reflects on your appearance. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily for glowing skin. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables to keep your skin clear. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep to avoid dark circles and tiredness. Reduce junk food and sugary drinks to prevent breakouts. Remember, consistency is key. So stick to these habits and you'll always look and feel your best.